Ever wonder what the future of the internet looks like? Not just faster loading times or fancier graphics, but a fundamental shift in how we interact with the digital world, how we own our data, and how value is exchanged online. This isn't some far-off sci-fi fantasy, it's a movement gaining serious traction, and it's called Web3. Now, you might be hearing that term a lot lately, Web3, blockchain, crypto, NFTs. It can feel like a whirlwind of jargon. But at its core, Web3 represents a vision for a more decentralized and user-centric internet. Think of it as an upgrade to the current Web 2.0, where massive corporations often control our data and online experiences. Web3 aims to flip that script, empowering individuals through technologies like blockchain. And who better to talk about this evolving landscape than a leader in the crypto space? Today, we're diving into the vision of Jesse Powell, the CEO of Kraken, one of the world's largest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges. Kraken has been a key player in the crypto revolution, providing a platform for millions to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. But Powell's perspective extends far beyond just trading. He's a vocal advocate for the broader potential of blockchain technology and its implications for Web3. So, what exactly is Kraken's role in this Web3 revolution, and more importantly, what's Jesse Powell's take on where it's all heading? Let's unpack his insights and explore the future he envisions. To understand Powell's vision, it's crucial to recognize Kraken's journey. Founded in 2011, Kraken predates much of the mainstream hype surrounding cryptocurrency. They've weathered market fluctuations, regulatory uncertainties, and the rapid evolution of the blockchain space. This longevity and experience give Powell a unique vantage point on the industry. He's not just reacting to trends, he's been actively shaping the infrastructure that underpins Web3. Kraken's core business, of course, is the exchange itself. It provides a crucial on-ramp for users to enter the world of cryptocurrencies, which are the foundational economic units of many Web3 applications. But their involvement doesn't stop there. Kraken has consistently explored and integrated new blockchain-based technologies. They've supported various blockchain networks, offered staking services allowing users to earn rewards on their crypto holdings, and even ventured into the NFT space. This proactive approach signals a belief that Web3 isn't just a fleeting trend but a fundamental shift in the digital landscape. Powell has often spoken about the limitations of the current internet model, highlighting concerns around data privacy, censorship, and the concentration of power in the hands of a few tech giants. Web3, with its emphasis on decentralization and user ownership, offers a potential solution to these challenges. One key aspect of Powell's vision likely revolves around the concept of financial sovereignty. Cryptocurrencies, at their core, empower individuals to control their own money without relying on traditional intermediaries. This aligns perfectly with the broader Web3 ethos of reducing reliance on centralized authorities. Kraken's role in providing secure and reliable access to these digital assets is therefore fundamental to enabling this financial sovereignty. Furthermore, Powell has likely emphasized the importance of building a robust and user-friendly infrastructure for Web3 to flourish. Just as the early internet needed browsers and protocols to become accessible, Web3 requires intuitive interfaces and reliable platforms. Kraken's commitment to security and user experience in the often complex world of crypto suggests a dedication to making Web3 technologies more approachable for a wider audience. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, is another area where Powell's vision likely intersects with Kraken's strategy. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial services, lending, borrowing, trading, in a decentralized manner using blockchain technology. Kraken's support for various DeFi protocols and its own staking offerings indicate an understanding of the transformative potential of this space. By providing access to these decentralized financial tools, Kraken is actively contributing to the growth of the Web3 ecosystem. Beyond finance, Powell's perspective likely encompasses the broader implications of Web3 for areas like digital identity, data ownership, and content creation. In a Web3 world, individuals could have more control over their personal data, potentially owning and monetizing it directly. Content creators could have more direct relationships with their audiences, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. While Kraken's direct involvement in these areas might be less pronounced than in the financial realm, their foundational role in the crypto space provides the economic engine for many of these Web3 applications to thrive. It's also worth considering Powell's views on the regulatory landscape surrounding Web3. The rapid pace of innovation often outstrips the ability of regulators to keep up, leading to uncertainty and potential roadblocks. As the CEO of a major crypto exchange, Powell has likely engaged extensively with regulatory bodies, advocating for clear and sensible frameworks that foster innovation while protecting consumers. His vision for Web3 likely includes a future where regulation provides clarity and encourages responsible growth of the ecosystem. Furthermore, Powell's perspective probably acknowledges the challenges and hurdles that Web3 still needs to overcome. Scalability, user experience, and security remain critical areas of focus. Building a truly decentralized and user-friendly internet is a complex undertaking, and Powell's insights likely address the need for continued innovation and collaboration across the industry. The integration of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, into the Web3 landscape is another area of potential interest for Powell. While initially associated with digital art, NFTs have the potential to revolutionize ownership and provenance across various digital and even physical assets. Kraken's foray into the NFT marketplace suggests an understanding of this potential and a desire to provide users with access to this evolving asset class within the Web3 ecosystem. In essence, Jesse Powell's vision for Web3, as the CEO of a major crypto exchange like Kraken, likely centers around the principles of decentralization, user empowerment, and financial sovereignty. He probably sees Kraken's role as providing the crucial infrastructure and access points for individuals to participate in this new digital landscape. This includes not only facilitating the exchange of cryptocurrencies but also supporting the growth of DeFi, exploring the potential of NFTs, and advocating for clear and sensible regulation. Powell's long-term perspective, shaped by over a decade in the crypto industry, likely emphasizes the transformative potential of blockchain technology to create a more open, transparent, and equitable internet. He understands that Web3 is not just about speculative assets but about building a fundamentally different way of interacting with the digital world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.